Hi, it's Steph here. As a pharmacist, I get asked a lot of questions about natural health products. Should I take vitamin C or echinacea to prevent the common cold, for example? I find that most people who are looking for these products are only looking for them because their friends or family recommended them to. And not a lot of people know about the general effectiveness supporting their use, as well as how to pick a good quality natural health product. Therefore, in this video, I want to share some general tips with you when you're shopping for these products and how you can make sure you're picking a good quality product in the Canadian market. In the Canadian market, natural health products include homeopathic products, protein powder, vitamins and supplements, probiotics, and herbal remedies, to name a few. There are two things that you should consider when you're shopping for a natural health product. Number one is whether they're effective for their proven health claim, and number two, whether they are safe and of good quality. In terms of how effective these products are for their proven health claim, there's often a lack of high-quality studies supporting their use. For example, you might have heard people recommending vitamin C in large doses to prevent the common cold, but there is actually no reliable, high-quality evidence to support this benefit in the general population. In studies, the only group of people who may benefit from using vitamin C to prevent the common cold are those who are exposed to brief periods of severe physical activity. And on the other hand, the benefits of using echinacea supplement to prevent the common cold is also unclear, despite popular beliefs. There is some controversy in the evidence looking at echinacea and preventing the common cold. There are some studies that show that it's beneficial, whereas others show that it's not. And when you only look at the well-designed, rigorous studies, they have not found echinacea to be effective for treating or preventing common colds. But there are some natural health products that are needed and have strong evidence supporting their use. For example, people who have vitamin deficiencies will derive benefit from supplementing with the specific vitamins that they're deficient of. Therefore, to address the general effectiveness of these natural health products, personally, I would not take these products myself unless a healthcare provider has specifically recommended that I do so, based on the lack of good quality studies supporting their benefits. Because if the evidence is not that great, then the potential risk of side effects would likely outweigh the questionable benefits that these products may have. And risks doesn't include just side effects, but includes the cost of you buying them. Next is safety. Despite them being sold over the counter and marked as natural, does not automatically make them safe to take for everyone. People often don't realize that these products can still interact with your other medications and medical conditions. For example, melatonin may theoretically increase seizures. Therefore, it should be used with caution in people with seizure disorders. And another example is that echinacea may stimulate the immune function. It may worsen the conditions of people with autoimmune disease. Therefore, always double check with your pharmacist or healthcare providers to make sure that these natural health products that you pick up will not interact with your current medications and or medical conditions. And having an interaction does not necessarily mean you can't take it. There may be ways to manage the interactions that your healthcare provider or pharmacist can advise you on. For example, there are some natural health products that may theoretically lower your blood sugar after you take them. After you start, your pharmacist may advise you to monitor for signs and symptoms of low blood sugar. Third is quality. You want to make sure you pick a product that has exactly what the label claims it has and is not laced or contaminated with other ingredients or potentially prescription drug products that you are not aware of. To find these products, check on the product label and make sure they have a 8-digit natural product number, or the NPN. And for homeopathic products, this would be a 8-digit homeopathic medicine number, abbreviated as DIN-HM on the label. Having the NPN and DIN-HM numbers ensures that these products have been licensed by Health Canada and that the ingredients on the label reflect what is actually inside the drug product. Also, by acquiring this Health Canada license, they also ensure that the manufacturing site is maintained per good manufacturing practices. These 8-digit numbers can be quite small, so you might need to spend some time looking for them on the label. I'll show you two examples. So for this lutein supplement, you can see that the NPN number is here. Okay. And for the calcium supplement here, you can see that the NPN number appears there. So again, quite small, so take some time to look for them as it ensures that you're getting good quality product. So here's my bottom line with natural health products. The evidence supporting the efficacy and safety of most natural health products are often too weak for us to make a strong recommendations for their use in most scenarios. However, there are instances where these products are necessary, such as treating certain vitamin deficiencies. If you do need to take them, make sure to pick products with a 8-digit natural product number, or the NPN, or an 8-digit homeopathic medicine number, or the DIN-HM. And make sure to double check with your healthcare provider or pharmacist to make sure that they will not interact with your current medications and or medical conditions. If there is, ask if there are management strategies to manage these interactions with their use. So that's it. Efficacy, safety, and quality when picking natural health products. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I put out weekly videos on medicine and pharmacy related topics with a goal of sharing knowledge and tips that I find helpful to clinicians and the public. I hope to see you in my next video. Till next time, bye!